Early Crypto Finder here, lads. Bring you guys a new project that I found online that in my personal opinion, I think is gonna be the next gem. But before we move to the project, just be aware I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing this project for entertainment only, alright? So let's take a look at this project. The project I'm talking about, as you can see on the screen over here, is Unigrid Sharded Internet. Join the next internet revolution. Anonymous, decentralized, global network. That's Unigrid. As you guys can see, we have the grid nodes, blockchain, staking weight, and the members on Twitter over here. If you want to join the Unigrid, just type unigrid.org. It's gonna bring you guys to the website. Unigrid is the next natural step in the evolution of the internet. A load balanced network that's completely anonymous and resistant to eavesdropping. The segmented design features sharding, data stripping, and parity blocks, creating a network that protects against service disruption and data loss. Anybody can contribute to resources to the network by hosting a grid node, supplying bandwidth, compute cycles, and storage space. If you guys want to see like more examples or explanations about the project, you can type on the video over here and you can find what you guys want. You have like the most recent videos, everyone explaining what's happening and the most recent updates and explaining what's Unigrid, what those guys are talking about. Speaking to the community, you can find the latest updates about the project. And moving to the next one is about Unigrid. So you guys can see a brief story about the Unigrid project, where this project came from, where it's heading to. And the most important for me over here is this item over here. Unigrid to promote and grow the network. Backers and supporters will, at an early stage, be able to host nodes to generate revenue by offering storage, compute cycles, and network bandwidth to participants. So the thing is, if you don't want to invest in the project, even though you can be part of the project by running a grid node, and you're gonna receive awards, you're gonna be rewarded for that. So every time you run a grid node, you're gonna receive a UNG. That's the Unigrid token. The Unigrid network aims to become the first truly decentralized and anonymous alternative to the regular internet. Is the first, all right? A network resistant to domestic firewalls and any attempt to regulate the original vision of the network. One without limits and borders. The original internet was envisioned to become a public and open distributed network, but this is not what we have at the moment. The existing internet we have at the moment has a couple of like secure concerns. Unfortunately, the existing internet has become increasingly centralized and controlled by big business running huge data centers. This centralization and form monopoly puts your personal data under their control and results in a very high cost to the value ratio. So pay attention to this thing, lads. As a remedy to this deteriorating trend, we suggest the inception of decentralized and consensus-driven segmented blockchain network based on a striped storage solution. The protocol allows for a completely decentralized and secure blockchain-based internet where anybody, including private persons, can host an income-generating services node, the grid node, aiding to the network with compute cycles, bandwidth, and storage space. The documentation for this project you guys can find over here. You have the foundation charter, the foundation statutes, privacy policy, terms and conditions, and if you guys don't have time, if you want to read just one or two documents, just focus on the orange paper and the white paper. Is self-explanatory. It's gonna show you guys what's the project about. And if you guys are a little bit lazy, you just come to the videos and you can find what's the Unigrid about, what those guys are talking about. If you are looking for a career as well, Unigrid is offering like career opportunities. So they are hiring at the moment. If you are a blockchain developer that loves to solve difficult and complex problems, do you love to work with a team of equally passionate software engineers? Drop your CV over there. If you have all the requirements over here, they offer like a competitive salary. They offer a lot of things and are going to be part of this team. So our culture, dedication, passion, fun, and open mind. All right. If you want to contact them and just presenting the team and what they are called, the caretakers. The caretakers are highly motivated group of experts in computer science, networking, law and finance, operating from offices in Gothenburg, Sweden. So they have a physical office, do you know what I mean? So it's not only internet, so they have like their physical office. If you want to find those guys, you can find over there on the address. So you have Evan Green, that's the CEO, Adam Weldenberg, that's the CTO, Marcos, software developer, and you have everyone that's participating in this project at the moment. And you have, of course, the advisors that you have for this project. And as I mentioned over there, the Unigrid Foundation, they have a physical address. So those guys, they're not gonna take your money. You wanna find them, they have the address over here in Sweden. You can come over and chase those guys. If you want to get Unigrid, if you want to run nodes, if you want to run and get the wallet at the moment, you just come over here. Below you can find the current wallets and daemons to run the Unigrid network. You can use Linux, you can use Apple, you can use Windows, you can use anything you have over there. You can download and execute in your computer at the moment and help the community. Moving to the next one, all the news and developments, all the latest updates you guys can find over here. Posts on decentralizedinternet.com, Unigrid, Janus wallet, the latest updates you have for the wallet, new partners, all the partners that are investing in this project. And as I mentioned for you guys already, you can find the videos over here. Unigrid, what are they talking about, what's going to be the next evolution for the internet and those type of things. Tasks in the spotlight. Our developers at the foundation are always hard at work. Here you can follow some of the most recent stories in some of the projects that we have chosen to make publicly viewable. You can view our management workspace to see more development work and other public projects. All right, you guys can check over here as well. If you guys want to invest in this project, you just come to the sales portal. You just click over here on top, come to the sales, gonna bring you to this screen over here. Unigrid Sharded Internet. You can log in the portal, just put your email and a password. It's gonna be unique for you. You can visit the website. Join the next internet. Unigrid is the next natural step in the evolution of the internet. A load of balanced network that's completely anonymous and resistant to eavesdropping and everything. Token distribution timeline. That's a really important thing. So take a look at this. From June to December 2021, you can find there was the seed round 1 where they put like 12 million tokens at 30 cents per token, and they sold those tokens back in 2021, and everything that was remaining, all the leftovers token not taken the first round, they sold out over here from December 2021 to end of January 2022. So a lot of tokens has been sold on those two early stages over here. So now in the end of 2022, they're gonna have another private sale. Hasn't been announced yet the date, but just take a look at the website and follow this project on Twitter, the latest updates. So they're going to be putting like 20.9 million tokens for sale at the price of 50 cents per token. And these projects going to go public by the end of 2023, where they're going to be listing these on the exchange over there and put the tokens for everyone to invest. Tokenomics, if you scroll down over here, angel sale, seed sale, private sale, public sale, you can find how many tokens are going to be put over there, how it's going to be the distribution for the tokens. 150 million tokens. So 150 million tokens is nothing compared to the price they're putting this token. So project timeline, you can find over here. Q1, Q2, 2022, Java, FX based wallet, Q3, Q4, free VPN service, all right. Q4, 2022, network storage, Q4, 2022, NFT storage, Q2, Q3, 2023, CPU compute support, Q2, Q4 2023, GPU compute exporting, and official exchange listing. So as you guys can see over there, we are in a bear market at the moment, but by the end of 2023, we don't know what can happen. And if you want to invest in this project and be like an early investor in this project, it's a good thing to do, you know. If you want to pick one project to invest, I might say like that's the one. But don't forget, I'm not a financial advisor. And if you want to get the latest updates, you guys can find them on the Discord, Unigrid, 638 members. You always can find them over here on the Reddit. Telegram, you can join their group and follow the latest updates. So on the Twitter, you can find Unigrid, how many members they have at the moment. almost 13,000 followers. So the main updates is either on the website or via Twitter over here. You can find all the major updates. So you guys let me know if you like this video. Don't forget to follow me over here. Cheers. See you guys later.